our little vlog. Yesterday I didn't do anything, just came out, took care of the yard. Zucchini is really getting big. I cut a big humongous this morning. Peppers are doing fine. Eggplants are doing fantastic. Tomatoes are doing extremely well. I have to cut some beans. If I have enough beans, I'll cook beans tomorrow. Stew with potatoes and meat. I'm gonna wait so I could cut like maybe well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I'll wait until they grow a little bit so I could make moussaka. Tomatoes are doing very good. I cut today. There's one down there deep inside. Cut it tomorrow. Let's go take a look at them. One pepper got ruined. Anyway, doesn't matter. You cannot have everything perfect. Oh yeah, the beans. Oh, they're coming everywhere. The bees a couple of days ago, they did a good job pollinating. Yeah, tomatoes are doing good. But for the heat that they had, I'm surprised they're surviving. I don't know if you can see. Anyways, you see the humidity, what it does. I'm gonna have to come cut them everything tomorrow. Whatever is like that, they have to come out. Even this. Oh well. It's already August 15, so whatever gets red gets red, and the rest I'm not gonna be collecting till October, that's for sure. Maybe I'll leave them till September, because top ones right over here, even if anything comes out like this little one, maybe this little one will be ready, but the rest won't. So anyways, have a beautiful night, afternoon, morning. Catch you tomorrow.